Welcome to this unboxing video of the XLMOTO H2O backpack. If you are thinking about buying one and you want to see if it's any good, then stick around, I'll open the box and we'll see what it's like. See you in a minute. Welcome back. Well, here's the box that it came in. I got it this morning. I haven't opened it yet, so I have no idea what it's going to be like. I've only seen the pictures online. I've already got the other one, which I use for daily commutes or just quick trips out on the bike. It's pretty good. It does hold quite a bit. It's a little bit finicky because the zip is on the back underneath the straps, but it's a good backpack if you're just going out for short trips. I got this one because I wanted to be able to go on long weekends, so I thought this might be a bit better. It's waterproof and it's a roll bag as well. So let's get into the box and see what we have. Okay. So it comes pretty well packed, as most XLMOTO products do, from my experience. So we've got the padding on the top there, and here's the bag itself. Let's get rid of the box. So first impressions, it looks quite big actually for a backpack, which is quite nice. It's the yellow one that I've gone for. You can get a variety of colours. I think the yellow is probably a bit better in my opinion. So let's get this out. Okay. So here it is. The XLMOTO H2O backpack. I'm going to get it open and see how much space is inside, and I'm going to try to see if I can fit my laptop in there comfortably. Okay. Actually very spacious in here. Got a lot of room. I think there's a zip inside. There is. With a small pocket. You're not going to be able to see that inside, but you could probably fit a wallet in there. It's about wallet size, the pocket on the inside. Is there any more pockets? No. Just the one pocket on the inside. I'm going to try and show you inside if you can see, but it is quite big, quite deep, and that's definitely going to fit a laptop in comfortably. There's loads of room in there. And it's a roll bag as well, so it should be nice and waterproof, and you just roll it over a few times. And then attach to the clips on the side. Pretty good. I like it. Definitely feels pretty well made. Nice and thick on the outside, waterproof. You got straps on the back as well. You know, obviously you've got straps for your arms. You've got a clip on the back as well. And you also have this that goes around your waist. So if I stand up and put it on, I'll try and show you what I mean. So as you can see, the bag does look pretty good on your back, and it can be used off the bike quite comfortably. The straps are nice and comfortable over the shoulders, and as you can see there, it does have a chest clip which can be secured to your chest to give you some security, as well as the waist straps, which gives you that added security of it not coming off you when you're on the bike. So I think overall this bag is pretty good, and you can fit quite a lot in it, and it's going to be really good for the bike. So that's the XLMOTO H2O backpack. First impressions, I like it. It's nice and spacious inside. It feels like it's really well made, and you could probably fit quite a bit of stuff in this. So I'm going to try and fill it up, and I'll do a review on it on the bike as well. Well, there we go. That's the XLMOTO H2O backpack. If you liked the video, please remember to hit subscribe and give us a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, then hit the notification bell. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.